a letter coming from Attorney Paquito Ochoa stating therein that hindi siya maka-attend sa hearing natin dahil may sakit siya. And meron siyang kasama, may attached dito na medical certificate from St. Luke's Medical Center stating that COVID-19 PCR viral RNA detected, interpretation positive. Positive daw siya sa COVID kaya hindi siya maka-attend. So we will be giving Attorney Paquito Ochoa 1 week to recover from COVID. And we have already sent to him 2 invitation letters. So by this time, you issue subpoena for his attendance before this committee. Kung hindi pa rin siya mag-attend, baka a warrant of arrest will be issued by the Senate kung hindi siya magpakita. Just for the record, dahil mahirap yung iniiwasan tayo. Well, you know, in-acknowledge natin, positive siya sa COVID, Kaya pagbigyan natin siya ng another 1 week. Kung nandito sana siya, baka tapos na itong hearing na ito.